This week's email freebie is going to be a training ECR video. I am going to take you behind the scenes to show you exactly how I would conference with a student on their glows and grows. I'm going to take an essay that's not perfect, it's not a 10, and I'm going to show you exactly how you can pull out the positives to tell them the compliments, the glows, and how you can focus on one or two goals to really push them to that next level, otherwise known as their grows. So I'm going to show you an actual student sample. I might even show you a few, and I'm going to show you how I pre-write questions on Post-it notes ahead of time. And those are the questions that I ask the students in order to get them to elaborate and explain. So you do not want to miss this video. Make sure you are signed up on my email list before Thursday. It's going to be amazing.